Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect our Android device to Wi-Fi network. So let's get to it. First of all, you can swipe down your screen like this to go to the notification panel. Then you can swipe down one more time. Then you can tap on the Wi-Fi button right here to activate your Wi-Fi. So just tap on it, and if you want to see the available networks, you just need to tap and hold on the Wi-Fi button. Then the network setting or the Wi-Fi setting will be opened, and this is the available network. And if you want to connect your phone to that network, you just need to tap on it, and right after you tap on the network, we can automatically or we can immediately connect to that network, as long as the network isn't protected by password. And if the network is protected by password, you have to enter the password first to connect to that network. Okay guys, and that's how we can connect our Android device to Wi-Fi network. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.